Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we're working on that Mazda CX-7 and we're going to show you how to remove and replace glove box. If the latch is not working or something's broken in the glove box, it's super easy to replace. Stay with us, we're gonna show you how to do that. We also have many videos about that Mazda. Please feel free to check them out and don't forget to subscribe guys. Let's grow the channel together. Alright guys, we're replacing it with this glove box right here as you can see. And this one has the chrome finish lever there that we like better than that plain black looking one now. We have from a parts car there guys. We have many videos on the channel as you know about that Mazda. So in order to remove the glove box, okay, you need to go ahead and empty everything out of it, and you can see how dirty that thing is. We just got it from an auction, so we need to we've been detailing it, shampoo the seats and stuff like that, doing some detailing work. Okay, and now that's that thing, okay, right here. Okay, let me get a good view here. Okay, prevents the glove box from going down too fast. So you need to push it towards the inside to release it, okay, like that. Okay, and now you have two stops, one here and one on this side. And what you need to do guys, you need to pull towards the inside. Okay, watch now, right here, you pull to jump that stop, and this one here on this side as well. And this one is pretty tight, okay, came out, but now this one got in. And they could be pretty tricky. Okay, we got both of them out as you can see. So now you can open it down, okay, and you just pull. When you open all the way down, you pull. Okay, that's where it goes right here. The hinges, let me show you. On this side, okay, that's where it snaps. Okay, and the other one just goes in there. Okay, let me show you. Okay, like that. You push in until it locks. You hear it clicking. Okay, like that. Now you need to connect that thing that prevents it from going fast. Okay, just pull it to the side and push it in. Okay, like that. Okay, let's see now how the glove box works. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, goes down nice and slowly. So everything functions really good and it looks way better than the other one. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, give us a like, let us know what you think. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.